Great. So we're almost there. We've done a cranial and jaw system unlock. So we've unlocked that whole meningeal system. We've started to wind ourselves out of our twisty patterns, started to unlock our spinal cord so we're lengthening. The next step is really just to go through a gentle spinal stretch, and the easiest way to do that safely is in a seated position. Now the exception on this may be if you've got disc problems that we've already identified or you've had identified previously, and we may be providing you some care to manage those disc problems. But generally, in the absence of anything that's really severe or acute or very painful just sitting, you should be able to manage this okay. The key with this exercise is to relax forward, so you're going to take the whole spinal system and let it go forward. And to get ourselves in position, you have your feet about shoulder width apart. We're going to pop our hand underneath, let's palm up, underneath our arches. So we're going to pop the hands under the arches, and then we're just going to relax forward and breathe easy. And you may find that you start to sink into that pattern as you relax. The key is let it go, relax, breathe easy, and you should start to feel your spinal structure open up and stretch easily. You may also find that your legs, particularly your hamstrings, may start to stretch a bit. Once again, don't force it, just do it easily, and that will work perfectly for you. Do what you can. If things start to hurt and you become uncomfortable, then let the stretch go. If you can maintain that stretch for 5 to 10 minutes, that's great. The key is to get yourself into position, so your hands are going down, you're cupping your feet really, and then you're kind of locked into that comfortable position and go forward. If you're unsure about this, if you think, sometimes I faint, sometimes I've got blood pressure issues, you might want to have a friend or a partner just standing by with you as you go into that process and make sure that you're not dizzy or feeling uncomfortable where you need someone to support you. Anyway, have a go at those. They do take maybe half an hour to do well. You can do just a little bit to start off with, as we've mentioned previously. The key is the first exercise when you unlock the whole system with the tongue up behind the teeth is the key. And the other exercises are there to unwind the pattern that you've got yourself in and unlock the connective tissues that are holding you together. And then there's this gentle spinal stretching process at the end. Very easy, very effective, time tested. It's going to help you with your progression through your care, lift your energy, improve your fluid return. Great simple process to do at home. Look forward to hearing how you go.